Home HVAC Services is your trusted provider of professional HVAC services in West Chester, Pennsylvania, dedicated to keeping homes comfortable year-round. We specialize in heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and routine maintenance for residential systems of all makes and models. Call our HVAC contractor if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What HVAC services does Home HVAC Services offer? Home HVAC Services provides complete residential HVAC solutions, including heating and air conditioning repair, system installation, replacements, and preventative maintenance. We service furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, and indoor air quality systems. Do you offer emergency HVAC repairs? Yes, we understand that HVAC issues don't always happen during business hours. Home HVAC Services offers prompt response times for urgent heating and cooling problems to restore comfort as quickly as possible. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC contractors have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.